Hello student. Topic number 23 is quartiles. Quartiles divides a given series into 4 equal parts. To divide something into 4 equal parts, you need at least 3 quantities: Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1 is lower quartile, Q2 middle quartile or median, Q3 is upper quartile. Q1 covers first 25% of the series, Q2 covers first 50% of the series, Q3 covers first 75% of the given series. Let's do one example. Height of volleyball players are given: 120, 150, 170, 180, 181, 187, 190, 192, 200 and 210. First calculate Q1. Q1 is size of n plus 1 by 4th item. N plus 1 by 4. 4 means given series. Quartiles divides the given series into 4 equal parts, which is equals to 10 plus 1 by 4th item, which is equals to 2.75th item. Clear? 11 by 4 is 2.75. Now 2.75 lies between second and third item. 2.75 lies between second and third item. Therefore formula is 2.75 means 2.75 means size of second item, size of second item plus 0.75 into size of third item minus size of second item. Size of third item minus size of second item. Clear? Size of 2.75th item means size of second item plus 0.75 into size of third item minus size of second item, which is equals to 150 plus 0.75 into 170 minus 150. Size of second item is 150, size of third item is 170. Clear? Size of second item 150 into 0.75, 170 minus 150, which is equals to 165. Same way calculate Q3. Q3 is size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. By putting the value of n is 10, we get size of 8.25th item. 8.25. 8.25 means 8.25 lies between 8 and 9. Size of 8th item plus 0.25 size of 9th item minus size of 8th item. Therefore formula becomes size of 8th item plus 0.25 into size of 9th item minus size of 8th item. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 192 is 8th item and 200 is 9th item. By putting all this value, we get 192 plus 0.25 into 200 minus 192 equals to 194. Q3 equals to 194 and Q1 equals to 165. Quartile 1, quartile 3. Height of volleyball players are given. Quartile 1 is 163, which means 25% of the volleyball players is shorter than 165 inch. Q1 is 165, Q3 is 194. We can say that 25% of the volleyball players are shorter than 165, or 75% of the volleyball players are shorter than 194. As quartile 1 is 165, quartile 3 is 194. Now calculate first interquartile range. Interquartile range. Formula is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 194 minus 165. 194 minus 165 equals to 29. Calculate number 2, quartile deviation. Quartile deviation. Formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, means half of interquartile range. 29 divided by 2 equals to 14.5. Clear? Next one is number 3. Calculate coefficient of quartile deviation. Formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1, which implies 194 minus 165 divided by 194 plus 165 equals to 0.08. Clear? Interquartile range is 29. Quartile deviation, half of interquartile range, 14.5. Coefficient of quartile deviation is 0.08. So we covered quartiles, interquartile range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation from the same question. Quartiles means which divides a given series into 4 equal parts. Q1 covers first 25%, Q3 covers first 75% of the series. Here height of volleyball players are given. Q1 is 165, Q3 is 194. Then interquartile range Q3 minus Q1, quartile deviation Q3 minus Q1 by 2, and coefficient of quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1, Q3 plus Q1.